You're watching How Leap. Let's provide a 2025 reality check on who viewed your Facebook profile. The clear and official answer is you cannot see who viewed your Facebook profile. Facebook does not provide this feature for standard user profiles. Any website or app claiming to show you your profile visitors is a scam designed to steal your login information or spread malware. To check what information about you is publicly visible, you can use Facebook's own tools. Go to your profile, click the three dots next to Edit Profile, and select View As. This shows how your profile looks to the public or a specific friend. For a full audit, go to Settings and Privacy. Settings, then Privacy Checkup to review who can see your posts and personal info. You can also download your Facebook data to see a record of your interactions. Go to Settings, your Facebook information, download your information. While you can see who has interacted with your content, like likes and comments, there is no list of passive profile viewers. The best practice is to adjust your privacy settings to control what strangers can see. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.